It's Rachel and I'm struggling. I over curled my hair. Now what? I'm really trying to go for that effortlessly cool beachy wave. So I called in my pal David Lopez to help me out today.
Are you ready to find out?
Yes, please.
Okay. This is the over curled hair. It just looks too defined, it's too curled. It doesn't look effortless or chic. And take your blow dryer and you're going to put it on the low speed setting and low heat setting and use your paddle brush and then just slowly go through the ends and make those ends a little more cool. So you can already see this one side is just looser and prettier and just like that really lived in feel. That is like the wave that you're probably going for versus this side, which is very kind of bouncy and it just looks overly done.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna let you try the other side.
Okay.
It's mostly about the ends that you're trying to loosen up.
And does it matter how big my sections are?
No, you just want to go right to the very ends.
This is everything. And that took a total of like 2 seconds.
2 seconds.
How do you make it stay like this?
So what you want to do is use a product that has maybe like a more of like a dry oil and a little bit of hold together. So what you'll do is just spray it right into your ends. Lift your hair out as you spray it. So lift it out so it builds that volume in there.
Full-on beach wave.
What?
Oh
Look
my
at this
God.
hair. She did this.
I found my new everyday look.
Yes, girl. You get an A+, my friend. You did a fantastic job.
Well, you're a fantastic teacher.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.